So, have you ever wished your AI assistant could do more than just answer questions? I mean, what if it could actually do the work for you? Well, that shift is happening right now. We are moving from these kind of passive AI helpers to active autonomous agents. And today, we're going to dive into how this evolution from a simple tool to a real teammate is completely changing the game.
All right, so here's our game plan. First, we'll look at what these new AI agents really are and what they're up to. Then, we'll talk about a huge security gap that's been holding them back. After that, we'll check out a seriously powerful solution, see it in action, and finally, we'll zoom out and think about what this new autonomous future really means for all of us.
Okay, let's get into it. First up, understanding how these AI agents are starting to do real work and how they're leaving the simple chatbots we know in the dust.
You know, for years, AI was all about responding to our prompts. But that's not enough anymore, right? We've moved the goalposts. We don't just want an AI that can answer our questions. We want one that can manage our schedule, build an entire app from scratch, or research a competitor, all by itself. It's the leap from a tool that just sits there waiting for you to a teammate that actually takes initiative.
And that brings us to this term, the autonomous agent. A fantastic example that's got the open source community buzzing is a project called OpenClaw. It's built to do exactly this. You give it a high-level goal, and it figures out all the steps to get there, and then it just does them. No hand-holding required.
But here's the thing. All of this incredible power comes with a major catch, and it's something people often forget in all the excitement. When you give an AI that much freedom, you're also giving it access. And that creates a massive security problem, especially in open source.
Think about it like this. A lot of these open source agents, the standard version of OpenClaw, they're built for experiments. They're like a race car engine just sitting on a workbench. Incredibly powerful, sure, but you wouldn't drop it into your daily driver. But businesses, they need the whole car, fully armored, crash-tested, and ready for the road. They need secure, stable, and encrypted systems to protect their most valuable information.
So if you run these powerful tools without that proper security framework, it's basically like handing over the keys to your entire company. And this isn't some small risk we're talking about. You could be exposing credentials, sensitive customer data, even your secret sauce, your private source code. It's all of the power with basically zero protection.
Now, this is the exact problem that Abacus AI decided to tackle. They saw the unbelievable potential of these autonomous agents, but they knew that without a rock-solid, secure foundation, they'd be totally useless for any serious business. Their answer is a system they call Deep Agent. And let's be clear, this isn't just OpenClaw with a few security patches thrown on top. Nope. Abacus AI calls this a secure evolution. They've basically redesigned it from the ground up to make these agents stable, trustworthy,